Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond CA with Soumya. If you're preparing for interview at any of the big fours, KPMG, PwC, Deloitte or EY, this video is exactly for you. Today I'll share the practical strategies that can help you to perform confidently and avoid the common mistakes that we as a candidate make. So I'll just brief about myself. I'm CA by profession. I cleared Chartered Accountancy in 2020 and post that I have been into CA with around 5+ years of experience in this domain. And I have been on both the sides of the grass. I have also been a candidate, and currently I'm associated with Big Four. So initially, I started my journey with KPMG, and currently I'm associated with PwC. And having said this, I have cracked all Big Four interviews not once but twice. So let's begin. The first tip that we need to be very attentive about is know your resume. This is very important because when I say know your resume, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है just you skim through the resume, right? You don't have to memorize your resume. It is as simple as that. Take a paper and a pen. Write every project जो भी आपने किया है in your entire tenure of maybe if you're a fresher in articleship, if you're an experienced in your job life, whatever you projects you've done, take out every project, write about it कि उसमें आपने क्या किया, what was your role in that, what challenges you faced and what impact you've created. For say, I'll give an example. When I was interviewed at Deloitte, I was asked कि what are the three things जो आपने उस particular audit में निकाला and how did you come up with a better solution for that problem at Deloitte, not at Deloitte, at the client place. And I answered that really well. So it is just कि आप सिर्फ मगअप करके नहीं जा सकते बिग फोर इंटरव्यूज में. प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस मैटर्स अ लॉट वहाँ पे, मतलब आपको प्रैक्टिकलिटी से आंसर देना ही पड़ेगा, ठीक है. सेकेंड टिप दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज स्ट्रेंथन योर टेक्निकल कंसेप्ट. लाइक जो आजकल बहुत कॉमन डेज चल रहे हैं, लाइक 115, 116, 109, these are very important. For that matter, 101 is also now very important, and IFRS 18 is also equally important. सो दीज आर द कॉन्सेप्ट जो आपको स्ट्रेंथन करने ही होंगे. एंड इसकी यूट्यूब पे काफ़ी छोटी वीडियोस पड़े हैं, यू कैन वॉच थ्रू देम. एंड ICI के वेबसाइट पे भी कंटेंट पड़ा हुआ है, यू कैन गो थ्रू दोज कंटेंट, राइट. एंड द थर्ड टिप दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कभी कभी इंटरव्यू के बीच में ही योर इंटरव्यूअर विल आस्क द HR राउंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, जो कि इज इट्स अ वेरी गुड साइन. बिकॉज अगर इंटरव्यू के जनरली एंड में बिग फोर्स में ऐसा होता है कि they will start asking you कि are you comfortable relocating to this location, and why big four, why should we hire you, what's your strength, what's your failures. एंड अगर उसमें आपने ऑनेस्टली से आंसर दे दिया, ठीक है, ऑनेस्टी के साथ, देन देर आर वेरी हाई चांसेस दैट यू गेट इन थ्रू, राइट. सो वन थिंग इज वेरी श्योर कि दे डोंट लाइक ब्लफिंग. If so in big fours, knowledge is important but not to an extent कि uh, आप उसको justify नहीं कर पाओ. If you don't know the answer, absolutely fine. मतलब even at big fours people not somebody who knows everything, right. So आप उसको you can politely say कि sir I'll read more about it, and you can go ahead with this approach and saying that I'll read more about it, I don't know, can we skip to the next question please. And he'll be okay with it. And the fourth tip that's very important, show problem solving ability. इसमें पैनिक मत होना. बिग फोर्स में जनरली क्या करते हैं कि वो आपको एक करंट लाइफ सिचुएशन दे देंगे, सॉर्ट ऑफ लीज के ऊपर कोई क्वेश्चन दे दिया, जर्नल एंट्रीज आपसे पूछ ली, लीज अकाउंटिंग पूछ लिया, बाय बैक ऑफ लीज के केस में क्या करते हैं ये पूछ लिया. तो देर आर टाइम्स कि यू मे गेट पैनिक और बॉक्ड अप. वो मत होना, नेवर. लाइक दिस इज वेरी वेरी, इट गिव्स अ रॉन्ग इंप्रेशन टू द इंटरव्यूअर, बिकॉज देर विल बी टाइम्स जब आपको बिग फोर में भी बहुत सारा प्रेशर फील करना पड़ेगा, बट दैट्स ओके. Say sir I'm not completely sure, but I would approach this way, and then you can say sir if you allow me can I guess, sort of. And if he allows, yes, you can move ahead. If it's wrong, so it's not a big deal at all. So this will just show that you're mature enough and you're trying and you're strategic in your approach. That's it. Step 5, communication matters a lot. In this, you have to express your ideas very clearly. आई कॉन्टैक्ट मेंटेन रखना इंटरव्यूअर से. लिसन केयरफुली जो भी वो बोल रहे हैं, एंड ऐसा नहीं है ना कि तुरंत ही रिवर्ट करना है. इफ यू टेक अ पॉज फॉर मे बी अ सेकेंड और मे बी 2-3 seconds, एंड इनफैक्ट कभी कभी मतलब मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ था एट वन ऑफ द ईवाई इंटरव्यूज कि they asked me a question and I was not able to comprehend immediately. So I said कि can I take some time to comprehend internally, and I actually took I think suppose I took 1 minute or something, and I did that. So that was very okay with them. इसमें it's basically अगर आप टाइम लेते भी हो ना तो उनको लगता है कि you think and speak. So it is in any way a good thing only. So don't worry about that. Secondly, research the firm. वो कभी कभी पूछेंगे आपसे कि why PwC और why KPMG, why EY. So आपको थोड़ा सा फर्म के बारे में पढ़ के जाना है कि why you want this particular firm, right? And last में क्या होता है ना, बिग फोर्स में जनरली they'll say any questions from your side. So उसमें ना you should never see कि no questions from my side. You should always say कि yes sir, I have a question, that I have a question regarding sort of, you can say ki I want to know that if I get selected in this in this company, so I want to know ki what sort of responsibilities you expect out of me, or what are the concepts that you think that I need to brush up, so that in the time that I join the office, I am well equipped with those concepts. So इससे उसको ये समझ आएगा इंटरव्यूअर को कि ओके, you are smart enough, you are diligent enough to take up that extra mile to sort of cover the gap, and you're sincere enough to start your journey with a big four, right? So अब ऐसा कभी भी मना मत करने कि no questions, मतलब that's a time no. And it's a very good अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू टू, अगर आपका इंटरव्यू खराब हुआ है ना तो आप लास्ट में उसको सही कर सकते हो, जस्ट रिवर्स करके, एक कन्वर्सेशन करके. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द टिप जो मे बी आई फॉलोड इन वन ऑफ द इंटरव्यूज, दैट माई ऑल्सो हेल्प यू आउट, इट हेल्प मी. So the only thing which is very much important is your technical skill, communication, attitude, confidence and professionalism. So they may ask you, so मेरे EY के interview में she asked me what's your hobby. So I was honest enough, I said I love singing. So they asked me, could you sing a song? And I was like okay. But then I suppose उन्होंने फिर बोल दिया था ओके इट्स ओके बिकॉज आई वाज नॉट दैट कंफर्टेबल. सो दैट्स ओके, मतलब you can be very professional, it's okay nevertheless, but the interview was very nice. So candidates generally assume कि if they don't know technically sound questions, their selection won't happen. But this is not the case with Big Four. They actually judge you. How are you as a person, and how much are you completely equipped to come to our organization? That's more important. And honestly speaking, big fours do not conduct interviews to eliminate you. No, never. In fact, they need candidates. They need good candidates. Where it's just you should know कि उनकी टीम में आप fit in हो रहे हो या नहीं हो रहे हो. So just be confident, stay honest, prepare well, and never pretend that you know something that you don't know. So and yeah, I'll surely come up with a list of questions जो big fours में exactly पूछे जाते हैं. And then that's all. Really excited for the next video. Thank you.